for the one and only legend from Pakistan, Meera ji. Meera, you're here to watch the match. I can see the passion with which you're watching. Who are you supporting?
I'm supporting Punjabi legend, and we are all here to support Punjabi legend. And we have brilliant start from Pakistan, Humayun Saeed, Adnan Siddiqui, and our biggest star from Pakistan, Salman. And we're here to support everyone, you know.
Are you enjoying the electric atmosphere in Shah?
God, I'm enjoying so much. You have no idea, you know. I'm missing India so much, and I'm remembering my one song. Can I sing?
Yeah, we want you to sing, definitely.
My song, Mere dil mein raho ya, jigar mein raho. Mere dil mein raho ya, jigar mein raho. Tum hamesha meri nazar mein raho. Nazar. And we are...
Acha, Meera, your favorite player, jate bata de.
My favorite player, Robin Singh.
वो तो retire हो चुके हैं यार.
Because he retired, I know that, but he was my favorite, and I like, is my favorite Misbah Haq, and my favorite is Shahid Afridi, Imran Khan.
चले काफी favorites हो गए आपके, लेकिन Meera, thank you so much for all the entertainment. We love you all.
Okay, love you very much, India. Love you.
Thanks for your time. Got to cut you short, honey. The cricket's out in the middle and Sterling's cutting loose. Wonderful striking, back-to-back boundaries from the pugnacious Irishman.
Well, I tell you what, Danny, we must compliment Zena when she's back in the comp box. That the kind of range of guests she has gone through in the last 4 days, it's been an interesting time for her. But meanwhile, the cricket is right on the knife's edge. It's been just a punch and a counter punch coming from both teams. You can't say that any team is ahead at this point. They need 12 runs per over. They're getting to that total every over.